Hello everyone, today let's talk about TG oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and it has with a spring look. The color is red-brown and this size is internal diameter is 40 and external diameter is 85. The sink is 10. This oil seal have many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, ticking spring and ticking skeleton, good brush resistance and good structure. This oil seal also have applicable to heavy truck and we also can provide the customers the service. We can customize this type and this color, this material and this size. We all can customize. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries and we also can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.